Hello everyone, Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video, we are here for the grand opening of the Hardwood Store of North Carolina. This is their second location. The original one is about 15 minutes from my home in Burlington, right in Gibsonville, North Carolina. It's right beside the railroad tracks. It's an amazing facility, and this brand new facility is located in Salisbury, North Carolina. So it was about an hour and 10 minutes up the road, right down the interstate, and it's right off the interstate. You can actually see it from the highway, so you can easily whip in here and get what you need. I'm up here with the amazing North Carolina woodworkers. We're going to be doing live demos throughout the day. Of course, I'll be doing my scroll saw demos. You can see them behind the camera there, setting up everything. But I'm really happy to be a part of this, and I wanted to bring you guys, my followers and subscribers, along for the journey as well. Hopefully, you will be inspired to come out to one of their two locations. This store is massive. I've been walking around it after I got the scroll saw and all set up. So really cool to kind of timestamp this video. Today's date is March 23rd, 2024. But I hope you all enjoy this retrospective video through my eyes. Let's go. And after over a little hour's drive, we arrive at the new Hardwood Store of North Carolina. And as you can see, it is right off the interstate and easily visible. And this store is a candy land if you are a woodworker. It has all of the woods, plywoods, and materials that you would need. They even have the beautiful zebra wood, purple heart, cedar, paddock, oak, you name it, and they probably have it or can get it for you. And that's always really cool being a woodworker. But we were set up in the back corner, and it does not take long to get everything set up when you get all of us together. And before the doors opened, we were all kind of sitting around having coffee and just catching up with each other. And the Hardwood Store offers milling. You can get your stuff milled down or cut to size, and their amazing staff will help you load everything. So that's always cool. But here's just kind of a walk by of how big the area is. And again, they also have a huge back room that they were using for lunch on this day. But there's ample room to expand and add more. And here is that back room, and it smelled so good with the barbecue, hamburger, and chicken being cooked. And lunch was served at 11, and they served until they ran out. But it did not take long after the store opened for crowds together, and it's always great when you get all of us together. It's always just a great time, and everybody's always happy and excited to learn. There was a raffle on this day, and I actually won a Diablo table saw blade on the raffle, and everyone that came in on this day got a nice Hardwood Store t-shirt. I got a nice darker color in my size. And Festool was also on hand to do demos, so the North Carolina woodworkers were not the only ones here on this day. As I said, Festool was here, showing off their amazing tools. Always great to learn about them. And James was in with SawStop. The Hardwood Store just recently started selling the SawStop saws, and James was on hand to do the SawStop test with the hot dog and everything, and he done this I think 3 times on this day. There were other woodworkers on hand showcasing their skills as well, and it always just blows my mind the amazing craftsmanship of people and how they use all the different wood species. This was the Triangle Woodworkers Association. But it didn't take us long to get up rocking and rolling. Here is the NC Woodworker Scholarship donation box at our table. And there's our trailer that everything was loaded up in. Always great to represent this amazing group of individuals. And as I said, we took up the whole back corner. And we're all just kind of mingling around with each other. And here's a closer look at the scholarship fund. If you guys would like to pause and read this, you can, but we do accept donations for the scholarship. And you can pause and scan the QR code. but it was just a great day. And even though it was raining, it did not stop the crowds from coming out. And I'm always happy to be a part of everything. Me and Miss Berta were in the back corner on the scroll saws, and I brought, as always, examples of my work. And from where we were set up, me and Miss Berta had great views of the whole day. And I brought a full box of stuff to practice with and show people different cuts on. And I was pulling double duties. I was cutting on the scroll saw and filming this video for you guys. There was carving demos, as you see Jim doing here. He was making planer handles and also doing sharpening skills, so that's really cool. Here is Richard demonstrating handsaw skills. I believe he was cutting out dovetails and showing people how to do it. The laser was also on hand, showcasing its skills, and they were doing little Easter pieces to give away. And Mike Matthews was here doing the pyrography lessons. And of course, wood turning was also very popular. Here is Jean working on a beautiful bowl. And we also done the little miniature lightsabers for the kids and little ones to take home with. And here is Gene finishing up one of his bowls before applying a finish. Wood turning is always amazing to learn. And I would like to learn it a little bit better than what I do know. But I think for now I will stick to scrolling. But it was just a great day with great crowds. And there is no way that I can showcase everything that goes on at one of these shows or events where we do demos. And the best way to see what happens at one is to attend one yourself. But I hope you guys have liked this retrospective video of an amazing day with memories made and laughter to be had. Thank you for watching. And that is going to wrap up our time in Salisbury, North Carolina for the grand opening of the second Hardwood Store of North Carolina location. It is an amazing facility packed with a ton of knowledge. I had a great time today coming up here and hanging out with my woodworking family. As I always have said, anytime you get a group of us together, it's always a great time and it's always enjoyable, and memories and laughs were made. But really, really cool. I hope you guys have enjoyed the retrospective videos that I like to put together, such as this one here. I enjoy making them for you guys and just showcasing everything and all the little ins and outs of everything. But really, really cool. That's about all for this one. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one. And remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.